Yes. Let's seek confirmation. This will be here name Kasi and Mali. This government. Where's the number from for this government?
Hi, Professor. The rules of evidence are fair and faithful, and they are to allegiance to the federal government of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the federal government of Nigeria. So help me God. I fear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the federal government of Nigeria, and as special advisor to the River State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the events of my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic, contained in the fifth schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people, according to law, without fear or favor, unknown to me, as special advisor, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as special advisor. So help me God.
Night or yesterday evening, while we were having the state banquet, I did mention to you that we have every reason to move on to ensure that the lost grounds are regained. So what we're doing this morning, or let's say this afternoon, is bringing in some persons on board to ensure that the wheel of governance continue to roll smoothly in our state. I believe that these appointees they are not new faces. They've been with us, they worked with us, they understand the philosophy of this administration, and it won't be a problem following and ensuring that our goals are achieved. So my charge is not much, because you already know what you have come to do. It is not pleasure, it is work. And every one of you here that have been assigned some responsibility in time past have always proven yourself. I'm very sure that this time around it won't be different. So let me congratulate you for finding your name in the list, in the midst of millions. Is a rare opportunity. Don't let us down. We will start to work for Rivers people. Our agreement, our social agreement with the Rivers people is to work. And that work, it is what you have come to do. So I wish you well in your appointment. God will guide you, and the rest is with you. Thank you, and may God bless everyone.